The assignment for this week is to analyze the local climate and choose passive energy-saving design strategies that are appropriate for the climate and your building. For this, we are going to use the software tool Climate Consultant that has been developed by the University of California. This software is free to download for both Windows and Mac OS. The first thing you have to do after starting the program is to select a weather data file for your location. Read the instructions and the link will send you to the site with the weather data. On this site you can search your location by browsing the world map. By zooming in, you can see the exact location of the available weather stations. If your location is not available, you can choose a station nearby or at least in the same climate region. After downloading the EPW weather file, the program Climate Consultant presents you this weather data summary with an overview of the average weather data per month. Before proceeding, you have to select the thermal comfort criteria to work with. Here you must choose option 2, ASHRAE Standard 55. When you scroll through the program pages, you'll find all the climate data displayed in graphics like these. Please take some time to explore all the functionalities of this tool and to learn more about your own climate. One of the most useful graphs is the psychrometric chart. It might look a bit overwhelming if you have not seen this before, but it basically represents the whole year where every green dot gives a temperature and humidity for one specific hour in the year. The x-axis represents the air temperature and the y-axis the absolute humidity of the air in kilogram of water per kilogram of air. If you select Display Design Strategies, the zone with comfortable thermal condition is shown in the graph indicated in blue. In this example, the climate in the city of Delhi in India is chosen. Here you can see that during 40.8% of the time, the outdoor climate is considered to be comfortable. A list of 16 design strategies to improve the thermal comfort is presented. You can select each of these and see how these can increase the percentage of comfortable hours. Here you can see what happens if you use sun shading, thermal mass and natural ventilation in the warm periods and internal heat gains and passive solar gains in the cold periods. Using the selected strategies, 45% of the time comfortable conditions can be created without the use of energy. When you select Show Best Set of Design Strategies, the program shows you a combination of passive and active strategies to achieve 100% comfortable condition throughout the year. It's obvious that in this example you need a lot of cooling and a bit of heating to provide comfort at all times. When you proceed to the next page of the program, it gives you a list of design guidelines based on your climate and based on the design strategies you have chosen. You can explore each of these guidelines and decide if they are appropriate for your building. For example, using overhangs, natural ventilation, vertical fins for shading, and here an overview of guidelines to reduce the need for air conditioning. For most of the guidelines, a link is given which guides you to a website with more information and examples of buildings where the techniques have been applied. Next week, we will explain more about these passive design strategies and show you some examples. For the assignment this week, we want you to download Climate Consultant and find the weather data for your location, explore Climate Consultant and analyze your climate, and choose appropriate passive design measures for your building. Further instructions for this assignment can be found on the next page.